Okay, guys, let's start. This is weekly webinar. Hello, everybody. This is weekly webinar. Every Wednesday, we're discussing. I'm talking about the most important, important news from markets, from meme stocks to bonds, from bonds to macroeconomy. Everything will be discussed in these 30-40 minutes. Okay, so my name is Fred. I'm a trader, asset manager, and I'm trading since 1999. So now I mostly trade options market. I trade market neutral strategies with no guessing. Okay, I don't like guessing, and managing my client's portfolio. Okay, I'm here to show you what's happening on the market and why, and some analysis from me and some discussion in our chat. Please like this video if you like it, and you can also subscribe. So I'm here every week. This is Spain, Benidorm. I am on a top roof. This is my balcony, and you can see also very amazing view. Okay, let's start. So I have some presentation for you. And now changing my screen. Sorry, I will stop this view and change my screen to my presentation. Okay, I hope you see it. Please write me if you see. You can see my presentation. Okay. Also, we have some recording here, and this video, live video, will be on our YouTube channel. Okay, good. Let's start with the first page. Okay, this is weekly webinar. As I told you, my name is Fred. This is me. I'm a trader, asset manager. We have also some podcasts you can find in YouTube channel. Some info below this video. We have podcasts, we have a lot of things, even Instagram channel, even Instagram account. Also, please like, please subscribe. All media are absolutely new. We just started. Okay, we just started. As you can see on my channel, just some 15 people, 15 subscribers, and it's just the beginning. I believe, I hope every week, with every video will be more professional, and we'll discuss more widened list of events. By the way, 24 hours per day I am on the markets, almost 24 hours per day, because I'm a trader, analyst, I'm author of articles. So that's why market is my life, and that's why I'd like to share my experience with you guys. Okay. Topic number 1 is S&P seasonality. Let's check it. As you know, most markets time to time behave like with some seasonal patterns. Okay. If we are here, this red one is 2021. Okay, this red one. So we are here. Okay, some July, end of June, July, we are here. It's absolutely fresh chart, absolutely fresh. Okay, I don't know which day, but if you can see here, so it's about end of, not end of, even very fresh today or yesterday's chart. Look, chart going as usual now. Look, we're going higher as usual for historical average, and also for X previous crisis, not Corona crisis, previous one, Lehman Brothers subprime crisis. So, but there was some difference between patterns in March. Market, in the current trends had some correction. Sorry, but historically we had no correction. But now markets in line with this historical chart, and if everything will be okay, if no problems, if no new I would say macro or Fed Reserve problems, some new force majeure. So probably we will hit new highs. Historically, seasonally, okay, we are doing this pattern. Then from the middle of July until October, there is some flat. Historically, there is some flat. And by the end of year, we're experiencing new trends, new uptrends. Okay, so if you believe in history, if you believe in patterns, if you believe in seasonality, you can sell somewhere in the middle of July and wait for some correction, some correction, and buy again in October. By the way, October and September, mostly, I would say, 2 crises from 5 begins in September, October. 1987, if you remember, 2009 Lehman Brothers crash, and I don't know, another one also. Yeah, Great Depression happening in October, September. So that's why I'm trying. I'm not sure, but probably I will do the same. I will close my portfolio soon because I have some shares, I have some long positions, and now we have in July some new season, earnings season. But by the way, I'm trading neutral strategies. I'm trading strategies with no guessing. That's why with new season, I will start my new strategy. I will start my new season, okay, trading season. So that's why it's better, really it's better to close all position by the mid of July and wait for new season. Actually, for me, no matter where we go, only thing I need for my trading strategy is earnings season with some surprises, with some big movements after earnings release. All I need. No trends, no volatility for a long term. The only thing I need is EPS higher than expected or lower than expected, and shares going higher or lower. So it doesn't matter which one, okay? So I will explain what I'm doing, not now, okay? So let's go. Seasonality, let's check the months, okay? July, number 2 in our list. After the April, it's number 2 by, I would say by return, 228, okay? The April is 233. This is monthly S&P seasonality for presidential cycle year 1. Now we're experiencing year 1, right? Next year after the president elections in the United States, we're talking about S&P mostly. So 1 minute. So we are somewhere here in June. Very moderate return, but July should be better. Now is the first presidential cycle, and July tomorrow starting with 64.2%. Why it's going with 65% point, yeah, with 65.2%, we will have some good month. Okay, I think it's probability, right? Should be probability. Yeah, probability. Okay, next chart. Seasonality. No, it's me. I am changing my presentation, by the way. Okay, June. This is seasonality 5-year and 10-year average, June 2021. Okay, 5-year average and 10-year average. Come on. Yeah, 1% and 2%. Anyway, July higher 2% and 3%. That's why before we had 2.33. So for a long term, 10-year and 5-year, July is a good month, not better than November. Also April is better, but anyway, good month. So I would like to keep my shares until mid of July and sell it after these trends if we have the same patterns like previous 5 years and 10 years patterns. Okay, nobody guarantee you, nobody knows, but I hope. So look, topic number 2, hedge fund short bets. This red line is hedge fund short bets, and this blue line is retail investors' favorite stocks. So look, as you can see, these retail investors doing a good job. Not now, before. As you know, this GameStop, this AMC rocketed because a lot of meme traders, a lot of YOLO traders, a lot of young people with no experience, no P ratio knowledge even, attacked the market, aggressively bought the shares, and the shares were up. I don't believe in long-term trend in this mistakes. Let's call it mistakes. I believe that is mistake. I don't believe that you can cheat, you can lie for a long term, and you can do the same thing, manipulation, for a long time. I don't believe. Okay, you can do it 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. Okay, but not more. So we'll see the numbers, the ratios for AMC and GameStop soon. A new statement will come, and I think they are overvalued, aggressively overvalued. So, but in a moment, for now, yes, hedge funds suffered, hedge fund margin call, some, not all, 11,000 hedge funds all around the world. Okay, 10,000 minimum. It's just a few hedge funds who were who was involved in this GameStop and AMC story. So what to do? I think just don't trade these meme trades. If you're late, if you're not in this crowd who bought it, if you are late for first, I would say impulse, first trend, first rocketing, event, so don't go. Just stay somewhere out of this story, because it's impossible to grow for a long time. It was some bad story with some experience. And also I believe that regulators will do something. I believe that regulators trying to regulate this story. It's not so easy, okay? It's not so easy. It's impossible to say, oh guys, don't write something on Reddit. Don't buy these shares, but I hope something will happen. I am against this manipulation, against these stupid things like let's buy meme stocks to the moon, blah blah blah. Okay, let's go. But here some new information about how much is top 1%'s wealth. So look here, 55% has just 2. What is this? Wait. A number of adults, world adult, 55% has this number, but just 1% had this number. So half of wealth is controlled by 1%. Look, you can think that I am some left-oriented communist guy. No. For me, it's good information. For me, it's absolutely okay information. Only thing is a little bit wrong is taxes. Only thing. As you know, they're not manipulating. Yes, let's say manipulating with taxes and avoiding taxes sometimes with trusts, with some special organizations. The only thing, but Biden administration just started to regulate even this area. Okay, probably taxes for high net wealth persons will be higher. The only good news and only thing to think about in this story. No problem if some businessmen, entrepreneurs make money. No problem. Yeah, if it's legal, if it's paying their taxes, absolutely it's okay. Absolutely. For Zuckerberg or Bezos or somebody, yeah, I don't care about it. They are doing something, bringing products and making money. It's not a dictatorship country, or it's not a wrong system. This capitalism, pure capitalism, yeah, I hope, close to pure. And so if somebody brings some product and sell it and make money, it's okay. It's not okay making money with shit coins, with illegal things, or with meme stock even, because it's manipulation. But making money with your product, legal product, Facebook or Amazon, it's good. But now Amazon became more and more global and starting to dictate this is not okay, probably. Yeah, open market, yeah. Capitalism, yeah. So if you are a monopoly, if you started with 1 million and now is 1 trillion, it's okay. But if you're too big, there is some problems. So regulators should regulate it. Okay, let's go. Look, do you know where is pensioner poverty the most prevalent? Look, it's better be a retired guy, a pensioner in Netherlands. Just 3% live in their income below some levels, like let's say poverty. France 4% just. Germany, I was shocked, 10%. Oh, it's too much. UK 15% almost. Japan 20%. Okay, South Korea. So it is a 66 and older. 66 and older. You have to know that living standards in China and in Netherlands different. For example, in Spain, average how to say, the man or woman lives in average 80 or 81 year. Okay, 81. Look, in average. So there are a lot of people older than 66. There is no Spain, right? No, there is no Spain. Okay, it's just information where not talk about. Let's go to recession. This is Millionaire Club. Of course, United States #1 in millionaire clubs, 1.7 millions. Germany, Australia. Yeah, really, Australia just not half, 400 million millionaires. Good for just small country. Japan, France, UK, China, of course, 1 billion and more population. So we are in all around the world. We have 5 million millionaires. I hope you will be next one. I hope with market trading strategies I will be next one. Okay, because most people who is trying to trade stocks, they're losing money because they're trying to guess with a risk and losing money. They're most people, not most, half. Okay. Okay, let's go. So look, everybody is talking about crisis, coronavirus, new waves. So everybody is how to say, a little bit nervous about this story. Look, for example, Spain today prolonged restrictions for tourists until end of July. Today just released new rules because of this Delta. But what about economy? So no worries. The chance of a recession happening over the next 12 months is just 10%. Before it was 100 and we had some recession, look, in March 2020, but now just 20%, just 10%. So good. This is from United States recession probability forecast. I hope this is from Bloomberg, yeah, but I hope this is not from Bloomberg. It's from National Bureau of Economic Research. There is some special institute in the United States. They are measuring economy. They're measuring the chance of a recession. They're measuring this recession. This is official institute, and okay, probably it's from but source is Bloomberg. Bloomberg is just published Bloomberg opinion. So let's check. I just told you that S&P seasonally going higher in June and July, but what about valuation? Let's check price to sales, not price to earnings, because new season just started. We don't know new earnings. Actually, we don't know even sales, but price to sales is so much. Look, so much. It's a record. It's new high. So little bit overvalued. Not little bit, but 5-year average is 2.2 or somewhere, right? But now 3.1. Okay, yeah, a little bit. Sometimes it's below this long-term average. Now it's about this long-term average on new high. So it's some little bit not good signal. So we don't have any undervalued markets. We don't have any oversold or undervalued. That's why I'm trading market neutral. That's why I don't like guessing, because look, time to buy. Look at these ratios. Okay, so it's 8:47. Next topic is about Robinhood 100. Okay, most popular stocks, how they're going higher or lower. Look, this is just a list. There is nothing to discuss actually. So some new shares, some new names. Look, Robinhood, not only GameStop and AMC. This week we had some new stock. Do you know how Russians call this stock? Galina, okay? Virgin Galactic Holdings, they call it Galina. So this Galina, 54% higher. Global Star, I think it's some global internet or something. Nike, even Nike, because they released some statement, not because of meme traders, they released some statement. That's why 90%. Fubo, I don't know, this is Fubo TV. And biggest losers here, I don't know these shares. Oh, AMC, look, it gained and now going back. BlackBerry, it gained and now going back. Okay. So nothing to do. This is very volatile shares, absolutely very crazy shares. I don't recommend it. I don't trade it. But for trading neutral, actually it's good shares. If their options undervalued relative to their movement, if it's undervalued, so actually it's good shares to trade with market neutral. I will explain later, not today, okay, what I'm doing, because we don't have now season. I don't have any trades. That's why after 1st of July we will have new season and we'll start to trade. And probably next webinar will be not just presentation, not just discussing, will be also live with trades. I will show you what I'm doing, what I'm buying. It depends on calendar. Yeah, it depends on calendar. If we will have some statements next week, if we will have some statements for shares from my list, yes, I will trade and I will show you probably live what I'm doing, how I'm buying. The only problem is I have to show my client's account, but there is some privacy, so I will think how to close the names, the numbers. Okay, so this is average weekly performance. Look, going higher, lower, very volatile. Average weekly performance for 100 most popular stocks on Robinhood, sometimes -6, sometimes +8. Now is somewhere 5% positive. So this week 4.17 and average is 0. Look, the most 100 Robinhood shares, retail shares, doing absolutely nothing. 0 overall average. Just think about it. They don't make money. If it's most popular, 100 most popular, most people buy it, and these shares all around the 0, they don't make money. they're just in Instagram showing that they are a millionaire with AMC stocks. But I remember some Instagram girl bought GameStop at 450. Mia Khalifa or something, I don't know her name. 450 or 460, something like this. Oh my God, crazy levels. Okay, so that's why I'm trading market neutral. Market neutral is the strategy where you don't care about trends, you don't care about particular shares, you sleep well. Okay, we will go back with this. So also this week we had some news from Facebook. Actually not from Facebook, it was from court and court judge James Boasberg said that Federal Trade Commission was unable to substantiate its claim that Facebook has a monopoly on the social media because this case rejected, and Facebook shares up 4% to new highs, probably, I'm not sure, to new highs. It's good news for Facebook. I would show you, is it overvalued or undervalued? Okay, let's check Finviz, for example. On Finviz, you can, 1 minute, I hope you can see Finviz. Look, P ratio 30, forward 23, just average. I don't think that it's overvalued or undervalued, just average. Yeah, good number, 35% from every ad. They're making profit, good profit. Their sales going higher, EPS going higher. Yeah, good no debts, absolutely no debts. There were some regulatory problems, risks, and it's over mostly. So that's why I think Facebook is a good company, but the only problem is overvaluation of Facebook. Okay, so I would buy somewhere 300 or higher. Not here, but okay, good company for a little bit overvalued price. Okay guys, let's go to the end of our webinar. Okay, yeah, no, where is my presentation? This one, no, 1 minute. Yes, this one. So I'm Fred. We just discussed with you the most important news for this week, and you can subscribe to my channel, and please push this like button if you like it. Next week at the same time 8 by Spain, I'm not sure about GMT, probably by GMT it's 7. I'm here with you to discuss, to show you how markets behave and what happens. Probably next week we will have live trading. I will show you my market neutral strategy with options or with pair trading. If you don't trade options, I also trade pair trading. Okay, I use just 2 market neutral strategies, and I don't like guessing, and I just recommend you stop guessing and start some neutrality to be happy with the markets going higher or lower. Okay, it's possible, believe me, it's possible. Yeah, probably you will have less return, but you are not losing. It's not risk free, but your risk is fixed, very fixed, and you know how much you will lose if nothing happened. Okay, see you next week, next Wednesday. Bye bye, thank you.